Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, so retired, and...
My name is Macari Pascal. I'm 18 years old. I'm be 19 soon.
I love that. So his name is Macari. He's 18. He'll be 19 really soon. So Macari is someone that I have worked with in the past. He has right side involvement from a schizencephaly, which is a rare congenital condition which causes a brain malformation, which causes the weakness on that side of the body. So Macari is working on strengthening his push-ups, strengthening his upper body. So I want your hands on the picnic table. The higher he props on, back up just a little bit. I want your chest to go all the way down, buddy. All the way. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4. He doesn't need my help. 5, 6, and up and up and up. All right, it's clear to me this is way too easy for Macari. We're gonna have to go harder. So, all right, so here we go. We're going lower. Lower is harder. I just try to keep the hips in line with the body, and chest goes all the way down. You ready? You got this? You didn't go all the way down. And up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go! That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Helping just a little at the chest, but he's got this. Give me one more. Beautiful work. Sometimes what I see is the less involved arm starts going toward the middle of the body, so they're doing most of the work. They don't keep their arms spaced well, but Macari did amazing with that. I hope this is helpful for you. Obviously, if you went all the way down to the ground, this would be a lot harder. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.
See you next time. You had a great day. Have a great weekend.
All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.